What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when you're unable to log in to your Instagram account. If you're having trouble logging into your Instagram account, there could be multiple reasons behind it, either with your device, your account information, or even Instagram servers. First, when you're on the Instagram login page, double check that you're entering the correct email address, phone number, and password. It's easy to accidentally type something wrong, so make sure everything is entered correctly. If you're still having trouble, try tapping the Forgot Password link. Instagram will guide you through the steps to reset your password, or receive a code via email or SMS to recover your account. If the login error persists, it could be an issue with Instagram servers. To verify if Instagram is experiencing downtime, open a web browser and navigate to the Instagram page on Down Detector. A link will be in the video description. On Down Detector, look for a spike in reported outages. If there's a large spike, that means the issue is with Instagram servers and not your account. When this is the case, all you can do is wait until Instagram resolves the problem, which typically takes a few hours. Assuming Instagram servers are working fine, let's make sure you have a stable internet connection. Open up your browser and head to speedtest.net. Run the test to check your internet speed. If the connection is weak or unstable, try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular or vice versa. This simple change can sometimes fix the login problem. If you've tried these steps and still can't log in, it's possible that the Instagram app itself is encountering a bug. You can resolve this by offloading and reinstalling the app. Open the settings on your iPhone. Tap on General and then select iPhone Storage. In the list of apps, find and tap on Instagram. Select Offload App to remove the app while keeping its data intact. After offloading, tap Reinstall App to download the latest version of Instagram. Once it's reinstalled, open Instagram and try logging in again. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.